Good morning. It's December 6th. This is Grand Man of McManus Meadows. Just going to do a quick check of the water. Running out between meetings today. So it should be a quick move. Sun is shining. It's a crisp 25 degrees right now. It was down into the teens overnight. Well, the ice is the hardest that it's been to break. But today's going to warm up into the 50s. So we'll see how the cows are doing. It looks like they're all grazing. Sorry about the sun. Still hasn't burnt off the frost. We're in lane 6. I'm making the lanes wider. We'll see if we get 10 or 11 lanes out of this pasture before we head up to our middle and upper meadows to graze. The water is a lot easier to manage up there as well. So that's the why. Got a great comment in one of my last videos about the freeze miser. We use that too, and that prevents the hoses from freezing up. Great invention. Here they are. They all look ready. He's making a move. See what Morris does anyway. Everybody's coming. All right. Looking at some nice JB. Yeah, that's going to be it for now. And then to well, made a quick trip down to check on the water. It's warm, warmer. It's in the 40s. Water is flowing. Still got a lot of ice, but we will fill these back up and we should be good. The next few days looks like we're barely going to get below freezing, so cows are all there relaxing in the sun. I'm sure getting a little energy. The grass probably still growing, so gotta like it. December 2024. It is December 7th. This is Grand Man of McManus Meadows. I'm going to take the cow dog down today. Got a few things to do down in the lower meadow today. It's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit right now. It's going to warm up. It's going to be a nice day. And when it does, I'll be moving the mineral feeder and setting up lane number 7. So, got the boots following us down to the lower meadow as well. Haven't had to use the escape lane, which is good. See, the cows are in the escape lane right now, so see if they follow me when I get down there. Well, Millie's getting a drink. We'll walk on the outside of the paddock here. Maybe I'll just go check, make sure. I'll come back to that. Got Ginger on my left. JB. Morris and goggles. It's a little frosty. See if they follow. Looks like Millie's on her way. So is goggles. This is lane 6. I need to take out lane 5 and get the mineral feeder back into the paddock. Here they come. It's always a little bit challenging with the cow dog walking with me. I don't like him off the leash because feeding this into the cows. And don't want anything bad to happen. Well, here we go. Sorry about that. That's the paddock we're going into. Here's the herd. Wow, nice sunrise. Okay, here we go. It'll be tough to manage with the cow dog. Sorry about the shaky video. Morris is coming to check him out. I guess that's enough, Morris, huh? Ellie's got her head down. Everybody else is. Yeah, this is another really good paddock. We left quite a bit behind as I look back, so it'll warm up today. It'll take the frost off, and yeah, a lot of fescue and a lot of orchard grass in here. So, good day of grazing. I'll be back later. Cows are all standing in line to get a drink, and it's nice and warm down here now, so I am going to fill up those troughs and then start moving the posts over to lane number 7. Hello, Ginger and Morris. Morris, you've got a nice coat. Might have to send you north. Water's flowing. Come on, JB. What's up, Morris? That's the end for today. Thanks for watching. We'll continue to share our journey at Grandman Ranch.